Hello everyone, I am Alvin. Today I'm going to introduce a program with my groupmate Henry, which the program is about the stock price pattern analysis by using candlestick chart. Firstly, let's talk about our idea of the project. We want to encourage people to do investment on stocks because it can have a lot of advantages, such as beating inflation, getting a higher return in changes of stock price, receiving dividends, and lowering the investment risk through investment diversification. But do you know how to choose a potential stock? Our app is going to provide some useful pattern and trend for people to invest on stocks. This is the flow for the user to use our program. Firstly, the investor can find some stock that they want to invest. The program can get the specific stock price information by using Condo. The program can plot a graph for users with specific trading days, which is around 25 days, by getting and writing a CSV file. The program can tell user the meaning of the growth pattern. So we can provide the signal for investor to buy or sell the stock.
Now I will tell you the practical problem. In the past, the price of stock was depicted with Western bar chart. After Steve Nathan introduced the candlestick chart to Western world in 1991, people found candlestick charts is better than bar chart because candlesticks show that emotion by visually representing the size of price moves and different colors. Nowadays, people are familiar with candlestick chart, but they do not know the pattern of it. So we want to make people know more about the thing in their daily life. And there are many patterns in practice which are important for stock trading. But people will find it too hard to remember all these patterns. When seeing a pattern, people always need to use a toolbox to check the name of the pattern and the meaning of it. We want to solve this pattern by developing an application to help people remember it. Next. Yeah, we want the user to learn the fundamental stock analysis by using Japanese candlestick charting. And we want to stimulate the users to explore more about Japanese candlestick charting. And we want the user to feel the fascinating part Japanese candlestick charting can bring them. And they can so that they can have a higher opportunity to get a higher return and lowest loss. Next.
Before using the program, we need to have some basic knowledge of the candlestick. The candlesticks are made by open, close, high, and the low of the price of trading days. If the closing price today is higher than the closing price on yesterday, it will be shown as green color. The closing price today is lower than the closing price on yesterday, will be shown as red color. These are the patterns and trends will be shown from our program. The first pattern we want to talk is the dark cloud cover. The second days will open above the previous session high and close within the previous day's real green body. The stock price is going to decrease in the future if this pattern exists. And the other one is the engulfing pattern. This pattern is about the second real body must engulf the previous body, and each could imply the decreasing trend and increasing trend in the coming days. About the morning star and evening star, the star is a small real body gaps away from two large real bodies. The stock price is going to decrease in the future when it is an evening star, while the stock price is going to increase in the future with a morning star. For the belt hold line pattern, bullish belt hold line will be open at or near the low price, close at or near the high price in the previous day, and the bullish belt hold line will be exit with an opposite pattern. About the Harami pattern, a small real body must be within the period real body, which is shown as the below patterns. About the counter-attached line pattern, two real bodies have the same closing price, but it will exist in different color. The magic doji is about the stock price keep decreasing in the previous time. It is representing the indecision between buying and selling force, and the shareholders in the market are ambiguous. The situation can be changed when either buying and selling side has a strong force. About the windows, Henry will do a demonstration for all of you. So here will be start to have a demonstration.
These are the libraries that we use in our program. Quando, NumPy, Pandas, and Plotly. They're very powerful libraries. Next. And this is where we get the data. Next. And these are the data we collect for analysis. Next. And these are the skills we use in our program, from basic programming to advanced usage. Next. Yeah, we want to do some more things in the future. Next. Yeah, that is an investment risk portfolio questionnaire. This is our program, a stock price part analysis tool. And as you can see, firstly, we ask the user to input the date, and we will convert it into the date-time format. And we will also require the user to input the stock number, for example, 00004, that is the HSBC stock. And in the first part, we do the function to get the data online, and we use the Quando. And in this part, after getting the data, we will open this file, this data warehouse file, and write the data into this file, and we close it, and we read it again and plot the diagram with the Plotly library. And in this part is a very cool function that you can change the color of the candlestick chart. In daily life, you can only see green and red color, but you can input a purple or blue as you preferred. So it's very cool. And after finishing this function, we try to call it. And there might be error because the input might be a Saturday or Sunday, so we try again. If it's still not work, we will try it again, and it will work. But there's some exceptions. For example, the forbidden error because we didn't pay for the database, so our access is limited. And in the next part, we open this file again to read it. And first we read the headers, and we get the data into the list. We got the first 3 days price data and fill them into these 3 lists. And we will get the data, the high price, the open price, and the low close price, the difference, and all about that into these lists for us to make it easier for us to analyze the pattern in the following part. After doing all this preparation work, we do the main part, that is the function to analyze the pattern of the stock. First is a doji, and there's another many pattern analysis function, and we call it together in this part. And I will run it for you. Let's see a date, that is September the 1st. 5. We'll get the data. Yeah. We got it. And this is a window, this doji. Let's see, can the program tell us the same thing? Yeah, it detected the doji on the 4th September and detected a window on the first 2 days. And as you can see, this is a window on first 2 days and a doji on the 3rd day. And what is doji? This is a indecision pattern. It shows a balance between buying and selling force. So as you can see, after this doji, the market don't know where to go. It first decrease and increase and decrease and increase and decrease. So the market has some indecision and a balance between buying and selling. And in this part, a window. What is a window? Is a continuation signal. Let's see. Yeah, after the window in the near future, the price is keep decreasing till the September 7th. And a window is always closed. Let's see. Yeah, this window is closed. The price bounced back to this price level and again to this price level as a support and to this price level as a support, a resistance. It's very magic and powerful pattern analysis. Yeah, correlation will stop at the window. Yeah, I will show you another pattern that is on the 201492. That is 00002. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, these are a Harami pattern, and you can see here. Harami pattern is also called petrifying pattern, implying a trend reversal. See, is there a trend reversal? Yes, from the increasing to decreasing. This is a very perfect prediction. And we hope with this application, you will find the amazing part of the Japanese candlestick charting technique, and you'll like it to learn it more by yourself and try it more with our program. Thank you. That's all for our demonstration. Thank you.